Hi, welcome back to your channel, Generous, Gracious and Gallant. I'm your host, Dr. Ghosh, and I'm back today with another very inspirational story for all of you. But before we go on to the inspirational story, let me thank with the deepest gratitude the 475 plus subscribers on our YouTube channel, the 825 plus group members on Facebook, and 200 plus members on the channel on WhatsApp. For those of you who are coming on to the first time to my channel, let me give you a brief about Generous, Gracious and Gallant. Generous, Gracious and Gallant was started in 2015 on Facebook. It's a private buy invite only group, and today there we have about 825 members. On YouTube, which we started in May 2020, in view of the ongoing infamous COVID-19 virus, we have about 470 plus subscribers as on date. And on WhatsApp, which is another buy invite only group, today we have 200 plus members. Our mission is to strengthen the moral fiber and change the thought process of the present and coming generations. We want to ensure that the present and future generations live by the eternal human principles etched in stone. These principles are like integrity, diversity, respect, empathy. Following these human principles and values is the sure shot way to success. We do not say that if you do not follow these principles, you will not succeed. You will succeed. You may succeed, but it is a slippery slope to failure. The only way to success, permanent success, is by following the human principles etched in stone. Friends, for those of you who are coming on to the first time, I request you to please join our mission by subscribing to the YouTube channel and sharing these stories with your friends, family members and children, so they too become a part of our mission of living by human principles and living life of success. Today, the inspirational person I'm going to be speaking to you about is Mr. Scott Neeson. In brief, Scott Neeson was the president of 20th Century Fox International. He gave up his luxurious lifestyle, sold his mansion, his yacht, his Porsche car, all his possessions, and started a Cambodian Children Fund, which supports children in Cambodia with healthcare, education, and child protection, and also supports their families with medical care and housing projects. A totally inspirational human being, a modern day monk who has sacrificed everything. He has not even got married. He has no children, no girlfriends, no wife, no family. He has sold off all his possessions, resigned his high paying job, and immigrated to Cambodia and dedicated his life to Cambodian children. But that's only the introduction. Let me tell you more about him. Scott Neeson was born in Edinburgh, Scotland. At the age of 5, his family moved to Elizabeth, South Australia, and there, young Scott Neeson was not very passionate about studies and dropped out of high school at age 16. He took up employment in a drive-in movie company and slowly moved up the ladder to become a film promoter and then a film buyer. He moved on to becoming the managing director of distribution arm of 20th Century Fox in 1986. Then he moved on to Los Angeles in 1993 to be the VP of International Marketing for 20th Century Fox, culminating in becoming the president of 20th Century Fox International. During 2003, during a 5-week vacation to Cambodia, he happened to visit Cambodia's capital, Phnom Penh municipal dump. There, he saw children, over 1500 children and adults, etching out their living by searching the garbage, working in highly toxic, dangerous conditions, suffering from diseases and lack of medical treatment, and that moved him. Though he went back to his job subsequently, but the images of the horrifying conditions made him to start sponsoring a few children for their studies and medical care. He started going there frequently in 2003 and started picking up more and more children for education and medical treatment. In 2004, he found that he could no longer live with the image of only taking care of a few children. He felt it is a matter of integrity and ethics, and he resigned his presidentship of 20th Century Fox International, sold his mansion, sold his Porsche car, sold his yacht, sold all his possessions, took that as the initial capital and immigrated to Cambodia. There he established the Cambodian Children Fund. The aim of the Cambodian Children Fund is the training of youngsters to allow them to overcome poverty and the difficult conditions they face of land and air pollution. Initially, he established it to support about 45 children, but now over 3,000 children have passed through its august doors. And in addition to taking care of these 3,000 children, 12,000 additional people in Cambodia's capital are served by the Cambodian Children Fund in healthcare, childcare, and vocational training. In healthcare, every child they pick up from the garbage is given a thorough physical examination, the immunization is completed, a dental check is done, treatment is done for any pre-existing conditions, and then the child is given education and space to stay. Free access to medical care at the medical center is available to all the children and parents who are working in these garbage dumps. In addition to healthcare, Scott Neeson Cambodian Children Fund also works with the Cambodian police and has established the Child Protection Unit. The Child Protection Unit works in close collaboration with the Cambodian police to arrest child abusers, especially those who engaged in child labor, child rape, child murder, child abuse, and to date over 590 have been arrested for this and convicted, and over 750 cases have been booked. Well, in addition to this, they also work on social housing, where the children and their families of the people who are working in this garbage and slums are allowed to come into sponsored housing, where the families are allowed to thrive with the safety, security, and access to resources which can change lives. To get one of these houses, the family has to show a will to educate their children and take care of their children. Till date, over 500 such homes have been provided by the Cambodian Children Fund and Scott. For his life-changing activities, which has influenced thousands of children and their families, Scott Neeson has been awarded with multiple awards such as the Harvard Public School of Public Health's Q Prize. 2007 he got the Rex Foundation Bill Graham Award, the IHIMSA Award in 2012, the WISE Award in 2012, 2014 Charity Navigation awarded Cambodian Children Fund a perfect 4-star for transparency in financial dealings, and in 2016 the International Children Fund has awarded him the annual Humanitarian Award. Friends, Scott Neeson is a modern day monk who has given away all his possessions so that he could follow the directions of his heart and conscience, and moved on from being a high flying executive to a savior of children. Friends, I am also a strong proponent of the concept of difference to one. I believe that while all of us cannot be Scott Neeson, who can make a difference to thousands of lives and children, and be a monk who can give away all our possessions for the benefits of others, but however, all of us can make a difference to one person in our community. Mankind is facing its biggest battle presently against the infamous COVID-19 virus. This is the time all of us who are relatively unaffected by this virus need to be counted. We need to stand up and make a difference to one person in our community, a difference to one. This difference you make to one person in a community will go a long way in mankind's beginning against the infamous COVID-19 virus. My friends, I request you once again to kindly join our mission by subscribing to our channel Generous, Gracious and Gallant, and also sharing these videos with your friends and family. Till we meet again with another awe-inspiring story to inspire you. Good luck, all the best. Thank you.